So hi everyone, in this video we will going to learn about how to create mails and send mails from Linux to the Windows machine using SendMail facility. So we will going to create some script, and those script will help us to send the mails from the Linux machine to the host machine. So we generally use mailx utility for that, but in this video we will going to use SendMail, and we will going to use two shell script and one file, okay, which is the HTML file. So let's see that how we are going to do it. So first of all, we will create a testmail.sh type of script, okay, shell script. And in that shell script, we will going to type some code, okay. So right now we have created our one. Now we will going to edit it. So first of all, we will mention the bin.sh here. Now first of all, we will ask the user to enter the email to field. Then we will read it. Then again, we will ask the user to enter the email from field. And likewise, the next one, we will ask the user for entering the subject. Now here we will ask the user for entering the subject. Then we will read the subject. Now finally we will going to ask the user for entering the file path. Okay, so for the required file, from that we will going to read it. Now it will read the file path. Now we will start the round bracket, and inside it we will mention the above fields which we uh, add as the user. Okay, so here two field, inside the two field we will mention our variable email2. Now in the from field we will mention the variable email from. Now the next we will enter the subject variable inside the subject field, right? The next we will mention the mail headers. So for the first MIME version, which is 1.0 complete, then echo, then we will enter the content type which will be text slash HTML, then semicolon, car set which is UTF-8, then we will mention echo for the new line. Then again here we will mention the style for giving the background style of the HTML. So here we will mention the background color as in gold. Now we will close the style tag. Now again we will mention echo for the new line. Now finally we will mention here the file path, okay, which we had asked the user. This will get up all the content from the file, and then we close the round bracket, and then we'll send and pass through is the pipe to the sendmail/t command. Okay, so this will be our mail format, and this will be helpful for sending the mails from the Linux machine to the Windows host. Okay, so you can see there content time and all that stuff. So now we'll save it, and we'll create a new file which is try.sh. Inside it we will mention some HTML content, so it can be reflected back to the original machine. Okay, so first one, we will mention the command variable. Inside it we will give the Linux command so that it will get reflected inside the HTML page. Okay, so now inside the echo we will mention the body tag, then the pre tag, so it will shown in the mail as a pre-formatted view. Okay, so now we will mention the command and then pre tag, then close the body tag. Okay, and then we will use the redirect and redirect it to the index.html. Okay, so this will be all the output of the df-h will be saved inside the index.html using this command. Okay, now we will going to save it. Done. So now we will execute the try.sh script, and now ls hyphen, you can see that index.html file has been created. Now we will execute the test.mail mail.sh, so it will utilize that. Now email2, inside this we will mention our email id to which we want to send the mail. Now email from which is our Linux machine. Subject, which is the command we have given to it. Okay, so which is the disk space usage. Okay, so this will be the subject for it. Now the file path, which is index.html, so simply we will mention index.html and then hit enter. So let's wait it will get reflected on the Gmail. Okay, so you can see that we got a mail here. You can see that this is the HTML content we got from our Linux machine. So in this way we can send the mail to the Windows host machine using the SendMail facility. Okay, so hope guys this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.